let's see. So we've just basically done a lot this morning. Okay, so we've cut bitter leaf from the walls. A lot of work done this morning. So we are going to pluck the bitter leaf before we wash it. If you don't know, this is what I call being at peace with nature. You know? So we are at peace with nature. We are at peace with nature. So this is the bitter leaf. We are plucking it. So some of you will be surprised. I like bitter leaf. I like oha. So in liking bitter leaf and in liking oha. Ogun ina iso emecha. Atufukwana ya na ekpachakwa ya ofuma. So and you know, if you are at peace with nature, I tell you, let me show us something. I will make some of you jealous today. You know, yes, we are intellectuals, we are high flying, we do a lot of things, we travel the globe, but at the same time, there is nothing that beats that you come home. You come home and you do these things yourself. You know, this is onubu, this is bitter leaf. I just cut them now. The only regret I have is that I didn't start the video while I was cutting them. That would have also helped us to understand one of the things I want to show us. So you see, so this trunk now, I'll keep it. I'll go back and I'll replant it. This you are seeing now will grow back again. So nothing is here waste. This is the bitter leaf. Google it. Do you know what bitter leaf does? Been sweating. I think it's actually time. Hold on. It's actually time that I do something. Just hold on. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Why you my cake me? Not butter. Can hit me? No. Whip it here. No. Whip it here. No. Bring it out. Ah, you naughty boy. Don't put it in your mouth. You know ya. It's always got buggy do now, but nigga everywhere. So while I am doing my bitter leaves, you see this? This is the mango I just plucked this morning. See, Maazi Ezeoke on the wicked. How can you be wicked in these people? This is mango, nature, organic. If you go to Audi in the US, in Germany, or Lidl in the United Kingdom, wherever you live, these are things you think you are in Europe. You know, I'm a guy. You're doing guy. Hey, I'm in Europe. Blah. Oh, guy, here. Now we there. I'm only just trying to make some of you. Akpiri toko. Wetalo me oh. Ayabia. Ngwasio bia. Keda afagi. One me hello. Ngwa ma afagi. Eh?
Janet.
Afagi bu Janet. Janet, ibo onye ebe? You don't know. Kevin na go akwụkwọ. Where do you go to school? You don't go to school. No, but I've told your dad now. I'll speak to him again. You haven't started school. Are you sure? I don't believe you. I told your dad. The last time I told him, you people need to go back to school. Your dad. I have to. We can't be here now. You don't. No, anyway, I don't believe you. But the moment the daddy get Google, again, and one nigga one, unu get video gawa akwụkwọ. Ewetago m ego ka unu gabakwa akwụkwọ. Ịnụle? Ka m kpọọ nkịta m. Ka ebe nkịta m nọ. Come. Nkịta akpọ nkịta okuku nne na abụọ ma ọnụ na ngwa bịa come. Aya, bịa nụ kene ha. Ka eke unu na. Come. Bịa atakwana m. Taa nke a ka a na-asịkwa nkịta lachaa ya anya. Aya, a na-akpọ unu gawanụ. Ka mmezi unu nke ga-eme unu akpịrị tokotoko ibada. I can be a wicked somebody. I can be a wicked somebody, but hold on. I will do you the one we go make you Don't worry. I want to show you that I'm a wicked somebody. This one. No wonder my forefathers were able to live up to 150 years. No wonder. When my forefathers, when they eat these... Oh yeah. Asị na onye gba bọọlụ, ọlacha oloma. Ngwa. Iso akpacha? Mana o nwere ihe m na-eweta. Nke a bụ sọsọ nne gị ka m na-enye nke a, mana nna gị jewere ọrụ. Chelu ka m ewetagwodo ihe eji adọ a n'aka na ntị. Na tata bụ Satọde. Ka anyị wee na-adọ a n'aka na ntị. Unu afụla ihe dị ebe a. Ihe a na-egosi unu ihe a bụ na ọkwa na ihe ndị gboo ji wee tọ. This is why my ancestors lived up to 100 years. So, all works and no play. Madam, I said I will give you one. Only one. I'm not going to give you two so that the baby in your tummy won't be kicking football. You can't drink this one. You can't drink. This one is not for children. Madam, come and take. So afterwards, if you finish that one, we'll go wash this bitter leaf. Then we'll go spray and make it dry. We'll go spray it and make it dry. You like that one? Oh dear. Thank you. So, see, tell me, when a man like our ancestors, you know I haven't broken the kola knot. Yeah, good morning, Glady Oyebo. Let me actually take some of your comments. Maazi, invite the Labour Party candidate for interview. Which Labour Party? Juliet Okafor. The Manchester. Onagode Manchester. Now go no. Chai, Maazi, wicked. At peace with nature. So, this is it. So when you eat bitter leaf, if you don't know how it is done, this is the bitter leaf. The bitter leaf. We pluck the leaves. So I had them round the wall, but I had to cut them so that we pluck them, then we wash them and dry them, but not like dry, so dry that at least it will be preserved for a while. so that even those of you, if you want to send them to the diaspora, so if anybody is watching now and they want it in the diaspora, as I mean Labour candidates of Imo State, who is asking me Labour candidate of Imo State? I had already interviewed him now. Are you not following in Ginger Media? I had interviewed Atan Achono. I had 2 interviews with him. I had an interview with him on Sunday, a comprehensive interview where I asked him what he was going to do for Imo State. So don't worry, we have enough time to get him to come and talk about his manifesto. So that is happening, you know, and I have spoken to so many of them. And so, guys, let's not be in a hurry. The election is November. We still have more than enough time. It's not only about him. We would also, one of the things my company in partnership with others would do is to, after the Labour Party, is to also conduct a debate for Imo, for other parties. Because the way we believe we've got it right in Abia is the way we have to also get it right in other states. It's a gradual process. Even Professor Soludo, that many of us are knocking, myself included. But I was in Oboko the other day, and I asked the people of Oboko, and the people were of different opinion. To be honest, I went to areas that he's doing some job. You know, that's 1 year. And to be honest with you, if many of you know, I think I tweeted about that. For many of you who follow me, if you know the Ichida Ibuku Road that has been a death trap for so many years that Obiano couldn't fix, I tell you, that portion, I sped past that portion in less than 30 seconds. In less than 30 seconds. That's a place you can stay for 30 minutes, 40 minutes before now. So, come and put that in the bucket. Janet, come. You see?
Get the bucket now.
No, take 2 hands. Good. No, put them inside bucket. Yo. So, people, that's it. But, you know what? I'm going to give away mango. When I say make I do give away, I do give away. I give away mango. Which one you want? Do you want mango or palm wine? Tell me which one you want. Oh, go careful. I want some over here, Maazi. You go make una buy me ticket now. I go visit una for UK, for America. Please, what is going on here? Watching from? Oh, I think, Maazi, you really catch me with this. I beg, we need more Pami. Chris George, Maazi, Soludo is impressive. So Soludo is impressive work. But please advise him to establish industries. Okay, manufacturing. Yeah, I honestly, I don't know. You see, my thing is, some of the things I will be saying on this platform, some of you won't like it, but I don't care. My job is to tell you something that even in the next 20 years, by the time you realize and come to terms with it, you understand. You know, I'm not a fan of the Imo State governor, the Supreme Court governor. I drove between Akokwa and Olu, and I was heartbroken because Olu has become a ghost town. The Olu that I know, on a Friday evening, 6 o'clock, is a very bubbly place. But you come to Olu, I will share the video with us. Olu become a ghost town. When I say ghost town, no single individual on the road. But if you leave Olu, between Olu and Owerri, that is about 30-something kilometers, Chineke me, the road is excellent. Done by Hope Uzodinma. Excellent. Excellent, as in the word excellent. Solar lights are down the street. We're very well lit. But if you go back again, between Akokwa and Olu, there is a very bad erosion side. That road is cut into 2. The question is, you have an Imo State, the good, the bad, and the ugly. My job here is to tell us which one is the good, which one is the bad, and which one is the ugly. No one is that bad. In terms of road infrastructure in some areas in Imo State, Hope has done excellently well. There are areas where refuse dump is unbelievable. Come to Anambra, the same thing applies. There are Abakaliki Road. That's where you have many of you who know the Ngozika estate, where Uche Kunife has the office. At the back of it is, that road. You go to through Temp site. There's a place is doing knocking people's building down, trying to do something. So, it's neither here nor there. What I'm trying to do is on this platform, I will keep us telling us the truth. Some of you will not like it, and some of us know that we may not like the politics of Umahi, but for Christ's sake, Umahi, in his second term, started an airport. That airport is finished. I'll be visiting Ebony, maybe tomorrow or next, and we'll see. That airport, to be honest with you, I haven't. Obiano was able to do it because there was money saved for him by Peter Obi. But here you have a governor, Dave Umahi, doing the best mall, doing the King David hospital, teaching hospital, doing these airports, doing 23 flyover. Man, and yet Ebonyi is not amongst the most indebted states. Actually, because it does this thing through direct level, the small resources that Ebonyi State get, he used this. What Dave Umahi has achieved was to leapfrog Ebonyi. Ebonyi 8 years ago was among, when you count Yobe in poverty index, you count Ebonyi. When you count Yobe in lack of infrastructure, you count Ebonyi. But Dave Umahi, hate him or like him, I'm not in the business of liking somebody or hating somebody. I'm in the business of stating facts the way they are. If you don't like it, I want you to subscribe. But if you don't like it, sorry, you can block me. But one thing must give way. You must keep telling us the truth, whether you like me or you hate me. So for many of you watching, we're not even up to 100 and only 6 people have liked what I'm doing. I haven't been on for a very long time because internet has been abysmally poor. Today, I managed to get internet. I'm speaking with us. Only 8 people like what they are watching. How about now? Una know they encourage content creators at all. Not even to say, man, you buy another keg of palm wine. You see, this is what they call, when you hear keg of palm wine, for those of you who are children enough not to know, this is what is called keg of palm wine. Keg. So you shake it. See, that's the way. Let me be teaching you some of you culture. You put your leg like this, then you turn it. This is what you call keg of palm wine. And I say, let me pray with this. I say, may the tapper of this wine not fall from the palm tree. May the mouth that drinks it, may he never cease drinking. Because this is what made our... sorry. Why did you push him? Come. Sorry. Come now. Come, let me see your leg. Now you are doing, look at him, nose is coming from the imi. Is Go and get something, clean his nose now. Don't worry, let me go and get tissue paper. Don't go anywhere, I'm coming back. Let me go and get tissue paper. You are there, bring home. Is you on and organ? I hope there is no fly that wants to drink my drink. Come and blow your nose. Come here. They do smell. Come. Oh yeah. Garikoka Mishina. Come and blow your nose. Eh? I say it well. Garikoka Mishina. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, blow your nose. Do. No. No, oh, no. Do. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh yeah, do. This was life tire you. Oh yeah, go. See your trouser like a bante. Oh yeah, go. Don't fight again. Okay. Oh there. So George, stop spamming us here. This one. Oh, this is my first time. Oh, I like people. Gladys Oyabo. This is my first time here. Keep up the Gladys. I like. I send you so many loves. Thank you very much. So people, why don't you just like this stream? Just like, share with others. Like, we only have 19 people liking this, and we have close to 100 people watching now. Please, can you like now? How about now? Sorry, I got distracted. One of the the boy cried and he was running nose, so I needed to get Titi to clean his nose anyway. So, thank you, Mr. Nice says I just like it now. Yeah, 21 people. Oh, give guys. I'm going to drink this on behalf of you, Giga. Morning, boss. Where are you? I am at peace with nature. Maazi Ezeoke, you're patriotic Igbo. We love you and we love what you're doing. May the Almighty God. Oh, thank you very much, my brother. I say, may the Almighty God and may the Chukwu and the ancestors bless me and you. You know, why I say it will bless me, the gods and the gods. The God and the gods will bless you and me is that, in Igbo we say, O ekene kene imi nyola ahu, o kene ike. No, ekene kene ike nyola ahu, kene imi nyola isi ya. I say, when you thank the behind, that is the orifice, that they release the gas, you must also thank the nose that perceived it. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Man, it's after a very long time. Chris Madu, thank you very much. After a very long time, campaign, the protests, a lot was going on. Guys, I needed to take a break. So I took a break. I went to some place where there is, absolute peace and tranquility. And it says, Igbo land or not, it doesn't matter where I am. I just say I am at peace with nature. It says, so among all the proverbs in Igbo, amongst all the proverbs in Igbo, ọbụlụ ike nyụrụ arụ na imi nyụrụ arụ ka m na-ekwu. Ịmakwa na asị na otu ọhụụ na-abụ nkụtọkọ kama na nke melụ n'ibi na ibi ahụ. So forget, amongst all the proverbs, ọkwa ndị Igbo tụrụ ya, ọmụnwa tụrụ ya. Ndị Igbo to the proverb. So ọbụlụ ndị Igbo to the proverb. So allow me to also use it. So don't begrudge me. But I'll get my cola. Today is, let's enjoy together. Today is, I'll break the cola. But with this one, let me actually pray for all of us. And with this drink, I say, may Chukwu Okike Abiyama, the God in heaven, Dichi Kere Anyanwu, you know why we call them Anyanwu, Anyane Onwa. May the God who sits upon the throne in heaven and use the earth at his footstool, may he, as we believe that none will pick up that he is a male, may he bless you watching me. May he bless you that has liked this video 1,000 folds. You that has not yet liked it, may he also bless you. But may he bless you the more if you click the like button. May he also bless you if you follow us. May that which you want in life, may he come to you if you like the video. And let's see how many of you who believe in it, and let's all say, only 27 people, 28. Let us say, may he bless us. And in this, I say to us, it shall be well with us, and Ekede. It shall be well with us on Afo, and Onkwo, and Ori, because he who has created us has made us his children. And because he has made us his children, so shall we worship him. And we say, he said, those who believe. Can I hear he say from you? And those who want peace in Ala-Igbo, I say to us, those who want peace in Ala-Igbo and in Nigeria at large, may I hear you say, there shall be peace. I say, and I say, may those who have our thing and our mandate. I love watching your program, especially English and Igbo language. Thank you. And may those who have our mandate and they have risen their hands up, will say, may when their hands begin to pain them, may they return our mandate and lower their hands. And we say, and may those who believe that our mandate was stolen, may you like the video too. So people, just as this, and we say, may the giver of life, may the Chukwu Kabiama. So people, what am I saying to us? Many of you who say that Professor Soludo is a failure, I do not think you understand what is happening here. You may not, and I may not agree with Professor Soludo in some of his utterances regarding people. But that utterances does not and did not translate into failure. That's what I want us to understand. Okay? In the next couple of days, you will see you on this platform. That's why I want you to subscribe, like, and make sure you have the notification button on, so that you begin to see things that will be coming up in the next couple of days. So that you'll be seeing things that will come up. Gloria Oneji. See, Maazi, where exactly are you? I don't know. Where exactly are you, and who are those behind you? Don't worry. Those that are behind me are human beings. Okay? And I am somewhere in Nigeria. But what I'm telling you is that I am at peace with nature. So I don't need to tell you where I am. For obvious reasons. Don't worry. I'm not in America, neither I'm in the United Kingdom. And if anybody challenges me with a ticket to America, in fact, I want to come to America next month, but I don't have money. So who is going to bless me and buy me an American ticket? I want to come. I beg. Let me come and relax. Who is going to host me? I beg. I know course. I know they do business. I know they do business class or what's it called? First class. So you go cheap. Just get me ticket. Make I come follow now. Enjoy small. We go to 1 week, because, my dear, it hard to be in Nigeria and be doing all these things we do and still remain sane. I tell you, every man don't decrease. Man don't decrease for this place. Man don't decrease. Man don't decrease. But I'm at peace with nature. I'm in a place. Maazi, village bobo. Some of you wicked. How some of you take no say in a village with this? So these are lovely kids as well. You know, they're not mine, but they are. Adịkwa ka ị na-achọ okwu. Adịkwa ka ọgụ nwa na-achọ okwu maka na gị nwa bụ nke obere. Ị na-achọ okwu. Ọzọ kịta ibebe akwa, ị na-akpị ibe akwa. Ịkpachata itinye ya na bucket, okay? Emesịa ka anyị fọọ onugbu. So, you know, many of you actually know you go to shop in where you buy mangoes. We don't know how mangoes grow. This is mango, and this is the way it grows. This is my mango, see. When I tell you that I'm at peace with nature, this is my mango. See how bulky they are. This mango is about 5 years old. About 5 years old that I planted them. And this is the last year it did some, it had some fruits, you know, and it wasn't as big as this, but I also use, see my dog here. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, Papa Obinonye Dot. Ah, thank you. From Tahoe. So this is my dog here, right? There are two. They'll wake up now. You see, the dog they do, you see this dog, he's a useless one. See this one, see him. See him. Let me show you this one. See, I see they sleep now, See where this one they sleep. You see where the other one they sleep, See him here. See him, they sleep. Now let me do magic. Let me bring something for them now. All of them, they go begin to follow me like a woman we see man we get money. You go see, hold on. Make I bring something. I have a package for them. You see them? These idiots. I was calling them before they do shakara. Now then they follow me and I see them. They follow me. You see them? Oh yeah, take. This one is the male. This is the female. See? These are my guard dogs. I do favor to the female one. Now, the female has two. See what will happen. When the male goes to see if he can grab from her, she will back now, see. The male is just going, see? You see? You see her? He says, oh, this guy is bastard. Oh, this guy is bastard. I tell you, it's good to be at peace with nature. So, that small mango you saw there, this is the bigger one. So that mango I will show you, this is where I plucked it from. See? This is the mama. So you can imagine, look. The only thing I have is that I have bats. Not Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but what a good one. I have bats come here at night to steal the ripe mangoes, you know. Bats. Bats do come here to steal the ripe mangoes, you know. Bats do come here. You know bats. Bats can go anywhere. Let me show us again. Why sometimes it's good to leave the hustle and bustles everywhere. Papa Obinoindo, thank you for the super chat. You are the only person that remembered that palm wines will buy them with money. So this is these ones, but they are not yet ripe. So this is a different bread of mango. Thank you very much, Papa Obinoindo. Thank you. So, guys. So, I just plucked the ripe one this morning, right? So these ones are not yet ripe. But, ego pa me. Nah, Papa Obinoindo, you know, say that pa me, ego pa me, you know, buy one keg now, the one I bought yesterday na 6,000 no, proper unkweno. So no say that but at all. Oh people. Why you no go like and why? See, I want to spoil many of you. See, this is another mango. This is a different breed. This is what they call Opioro mango. Some of you, your head are like this. Opioro head. Ah, madman. Okay, see cashew. Huh? Let me show you. Where is the cashew? See cashew. See cashew. So, see? When I say I am at peace with nature. So for some of you who don't know, they eat cashew. You don't know how they grow. This is cashew. I plug this one. See, life. This is how we eat cashew. And this is how we pluck it. Yeah? This is how we eat cashew, and this is how we pluck it. So, you see this cashew? Hey. This life good though. No chemical. No winter. No snow. So this is the cashew. If I roast it now, I crack it, I'll get the cashew eat in the shop. But the cashew drink, I've already expressed it with my teeth. And I'm at peace with nature. I'm looking for more. I'm looking for more. Get a rata. Wow! I've seen a ripe one. I've seen a ripe one. Hold on. See him? Ooh, see this one ripe. But it fall for ground. Let me go and wash it. None of you saw this cashew. See? The ripe one. Make I go wash them. See? You want to eat? You want? You want? Aya, let's share. You want? Eh? You want? Talk now, you want? You want? Come. Come, let's eat. Come. Come now. Come. Come and take. I eat. So, that's love is sharing. But you never tell me your name. What will be your name? Eh? Eh? What will be here? Tell me your name now. What's your name? Janet. Janet? Jafet. And you, Seth, every time they like, they climb. Now, coconut tree, want they climb so. Be careful, make you no go follow. I know why enter trouble. So you go climb tree or you fall. Gosh. God there. God. Why did Adam go say himself, remove us from the Garden of Eden? This is Garden of Eden, no. You go just wake up, you go to find fruit. You go look now. I don't see. Go there. Adam must be a very stupid man. A man they ask question, Adam, where are you? He says he's naked. Location, common entrance exam. Adam fail him. Adam, where are you? He say, I'm naked. That must be very stupid. Anyway, so now, what have we ate? We've ate mango, right? We've ate mango. We ate cashew nuts, and I already ate this morning. No, I already ate coconut. No, I drank the water. Let me show us. This is the coconut. This is the coconut thing that I did this morning, right? The coconut, I plucked it from this coconut tree, right? So, and this is it. So this is the one here. See the coconut here? I broke it this morning. So that's, what I do is I try to drink the water when I haven't eaten anything. So this is the coconut. So, see y'all? This is the coconut I'm eating. Okay? So, when I title this video At Peace with Nature, don't think say na show off, but na the real deal. So you don't reach to eat guava. So this is the guava tree. At peace with nature. Where the guava was I see here this morning, self? Ewe. Abi is among the ones where I caught. Oh, say I caught the trees this morning. The branches that were touching the house. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's among it here. See. It's among it here. This is the guava that I didn't even remember. It's among this one, but it doesn't matter. It's not there. It's not ripe. Now, the guava leaves that I cut, what we have to do is, I may not do a video about that, but I'll show us that the guava leaves, you can actually, this is the guava leaves, and this is where I put them. Because they were touching the house, you see? They were growing, touching the house. So I cut them. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pluck eventually when we finish with the other one, we're gonna pluck the hormones. That is the smaller ones. These ones. We're going to cook them. You cook them. They are very medicinal. For me to tell you what they do, I won't tell you. You want me to tell you what they do? When I cook them, I'll cook them with this. But I won't tell you what it does. Not everything I'll give you for free. This guava, I'll cut it in pieces. I'll put it in there as well. Then I'll cut this. New Nigeria, by the time we get into New Nigeria, everywhere will be in green now. So I'll cut the guava, I'll cut this leaf called Odaopue. You see, I planted them. These leaves called Odaopue. So put all of them together. You cook them. It does something to the body. One, your body go to quam like mine. Don't ask me what quam means. Secondly, and for those of you who want to have the type of mango I have, see the baby here. If you want this one, I can give you this baby for 5,000 naira only. This mango will be ready in 3 years. I can show you the mama. So some of you, even reach $5 self. I'll be $7. See how the mama is. Huh? The mama is only 5 years old. Huh? But look. See how big that is. This is, in America, this is $5 one. And this mango is a combination of a pearl mango and the real mango. That's what they call the German mango. A special breed. So what we're going to do now is, the moment I finish plucking these ones, me, myself, not be saying any other person, I go climb that top, I go cut the top, because I want it to be a canopy. See, as the shed is here, this is in the evening, this is where I come, sit down. And this is what I'm going to even do now. Let me go and get seat. So I can sit down there. So if you like the mango you're seeing and you want to, in fact, I should tag this conversation sitting under the mango tree. Jennifer, butere mmanya, wala kana abobulia. Ezigbo nwa buti etu a, oh? Ihe kwu ka na-eme. Onye anaghị ya na. Jennifer, ezigbo nwa, oh? So, you see? This is where you see na heat, no be water. So if you want, in fact, one mommy says, what species? A guy fight Gladys. The species are Maazi Ezeoke combination, because I am the one that configured it. I figured it out that there are things I will do. It will start producing fruit in 4 or 5 years. Okay. The health benefit of drinking, one, it balances your Papa bin on your dot. Maazi Mperempeke. You know, one man went to the mall. You're welcome, ma'am. Troublemaker. One man went to the mall. You're welcome, my brother. I love you. I love you. Guys, I love you guys. But just like and share. One man went to the mall. You and the Papa bin on your dot. This drink is for you. I'm drinking on your behalf because you people are... So, hold on. I'm not going to drink this. Just wait. I'm going to do something now. People, just wait. Give me 2 seconds. Don't go away. Don't go away. No. All this nkita. Anytime I bring a polythene bag. No, go. Muno na ya. Sikwa eba puana. Puana eba. Amuno na ya koko. Mbuta hana polythene bag. Une cheno iho ni yeri. Onu wakam me buru. You see, while you are at peace with nature, and I have a prize, what do you call this in English? This is called mimi in Igbo. Look, let me show you. Mimi. It is very pepperish. The health benefit of drinking coconut water without eating. I shouldn't tell you now. Why would I tell you? You're asking me. Do super chat, you know do. Like the video, you know like. Do super sticker, you know do. You want to make every time. Just they give freely. Don't worry. The health benefit of one, it increases metabolism. Two, it makes the heart na. Three, it makes you obedient. Four, it drives away all the bats in your vicinity. Five, it makes you don't have FBI fire. Six, any guinea fowl in your compound will begin to run away. And you're not a guinea person. So, are you happy now? No. On a serious note, the health benefit of drinking, the one is it helps digestion, it reduces your cholesterol, and reduces your high blood pressure. That's why I drink them. And I use this to pray to the ancestors every morning. Then I use this one. No, this is the alligator pepper. Oh, popular not. Thank you very much. Like and share. In fact, let me know how many of you that will share this stream on at least 2 WhatsApp groups. But you know they allow you to do 5. Can you share that? And you say, comment, say, I've shared in 5 WhatsApp groups, please. Blessing, thank you. Thank you for thanking me. You know, this is the alligator pepper. My ancestors. I just did do in a long throat, but because you're not at peace with nature. If you like, buy a ticket, come and join me. You're welcome. So, you know, before we pray, we use the alligator pepper. This is very fresh. And for the things our enemies are planning to do for us, one, we say it shall only happen in our bags. It shall only happen in our bags. This is very spiritual. We count, oh yeah. Eke, oh yeah. Afọ. Nkwo. Mgbe na-agọ, na oye, ga-eyotala anyị ife ọma. Afọfọtala anyị nke ama mgbu anyị. Eke nye anyị eke, nye anyị ike, ka anyị wee keta ihe ya dị mma. Nkwọ, kwọla anyị n'azụ, kwọba anyị n'ihe ọma. Ịchọ isi gọ ka ọ ya esi wee le. Hey! So, you know, before now, let me take Maazi, my man. In Agazi Afa, Mbarama Agoafa, I said I'm at peace with nature. You know, when you're at peace with nature, these things you see here, they mean a lot. And those of you who are watching me, this is how sweet the mango that I showed you. This is this mango here. This mango here. Now, this is how sweet it is. Look at that. Look. Look. See how red. This is this mango. This mango, you plant it today, in 5 years' time, you begin to harvest it. Uroboskata rama rama shema. Say, Maazi, you're not bad being them. Some of you will not make heaven. Hey, homie, Maazi. Hey, nah, I forgot me here no one came. So, if you're around, you come. I give you my own. These things are not bought in the market. These things are harvested. You can harvest same in your house. No, this is not a pure mango. This is a combination of the normal mango and the German mango. It's a crossbreed. It does in 5 years. So I'm telling you, it's a testament. Look at it. Look at this stupid EG. See? Guys, like and share now. Guys, like and share now. Daniel, I beg, I know they cheat on you guys. I'm just trying to make you guys conscious. Everybody, they wrong go America. Everybody, they wrong go UK. See, I don't chop my mango finish. If I know see water to wash my hand, I go rub them on the mango. I go rub them. That's the way we used to do it growing up. See, my hands are clean. So once you finish that, you shake the Flensburg. Huh? Where is from Flensburg? Wait though. Watching you from Flensburg, Daniel and Meg. Ah. So you guys from Flensburg, you know, I used to live in Kiel, and Damas. I had actually worked in Flensburg. I worked at the Motorola factory, but I think Motorola, I don't know if it's still in Flensburg, but it's closed. So this is how beautiful this nature is. When I tell you, Anwaham. Over them kuni and water. Anwaham. I am not bomb here. Bonabo waking up body. When you want to mobile boom boom boom. Moriam, Moronyanjiki, Moronyan Nanki, and Rivam. See how good. They will tell you don't come to Southeast. It is a war zone. Danke. One moment, danke. They will tell you. Hey, flieg nicht nach Nigeria, flieg nicht nach Ala-Igbo. Wenn du das magst, oh, du stirbst, oh, du wirst getötet, oh, ja, oh, das wird geschossen. Ja. Halt die Klappe. Halt die Klappe, sag man doch. Halt die Klappe und stopp. Kotzen. Hier ist Himmel am Erd. Himmel am Erde. Mein Gott, Himmel am Erde. I've been in Venice, yes. I've been in Venice in Italy. I've been in Venice. I've been Cremone. I've been man, I don't know whether this is not they agree me remember the places I've been. Anyway, I've been in 54 countries of this planet. Hence I have the title Onye Njenje One Days in everything. And for many of you who don't know, and from Onye Njenje One Days, that's how Njenje Media came about. Can you make the connection? Tiwenko. Kainen. I beg, I pardon you. Biko. I don't want you to be mana adukoko no of ndị aka gom. Okwo na ego ka eji ego nkwu onwa. Nwuru ni mo no nwe ka ise 6000 na eji ego nkwu na ka ego nekwon. Ona bụ onye me 20 pounds here na YouTube agbasa. Ana emekwa na Maazi na akpasi ike no buru. Mana I know. Unu emechago? Ngwa bịanụ. Ụmụ ọma bịanụ. Bịa ka nye unu akị oyibo bịa. Mana ọ bụkwa na unu kpachachara unu bubu na unu emechago. Unu a ga-afọkwa ya afọ. Emechi unu enyere nne unu aka. O? Ị na-atakwa akị oyibo? Kedu afa gị ahụ ọzọ? Afa gị bụ Jennifer. Okay. Ngwa bịa were akị oyibo. Ọkwa akị oyibo m jiri gaa ọfọ. Maka na etu nwa nsiri gaa ọfọ na ọ ya abalị ya. Obele nwa. Ngwa na-ewelu. Emechakwa ihe akwa aka gị na onugbu, ịma na etu a kpachara onugbu. Onugbu na-enu inu. Maka na onugbu na-enu inu, ịkwakwa ha aka gị. Itinye aka n'ọnụ onoge inu. Ịnụle? Ngwa welu. Ngwa, nwanne gị nwaanyị bịa. Ụmụ ọma. Onugbu na-enukwu inu ọ. Unu ga-ejekwa ka unu kwa aka, o? Maka itinyekwa aka n'ọnụ, onugbu enu rie gị. Mba alina na da baro ị ga-adakwa. Ịdakwa mmelụ ahụ biko. Enweghịkwa m petrol m eji buru mmadụ jebe ụlọ ọgwụ biko. Ife ihe a na-agwa ya. Ọ bụrụ sọ mụnwa. Ori nne anya na-anwụ nne anya. He who eats alone die alone. I'm here. You see these children? They are not mine. But I love them as my children because they are very fantastic children. I play around with them and they help. You see? Hi. Nah, children will be children. Look at what they are doing. Climbing the barrel. Eh? Ọkwago maka nne unu na-akpọ, ọ na-akọ ya. Litu na barrel, litu gonwa. Akwụcha ntị. Ntị gị ọfọ fancy. Litu ya. Ntị gị dị ka ihe eji mee decoration. So. A ga-afọ n'elu, afọcha ya agbasa ya n'elu ebe a ka ọkọ. Ọ bụ na unu fọcha ya, anyị amarịta anyị ga-esi kee ya ndị niile na watch. Ụfọdụ nọ na America, ụfọdụ nọ na England, ha na watch. Anya ha dị n'ofu onugbo. How many of you watching want the bitter leaf now? Make I know how we go share. Papa been on your dot. Because you're the first person. Let's pour pan one for you. So I tell you, my bats never come my fruit. I say, bats shall never come near my fruit. Because if bats come near my fruit, guinea fowl may also follow them. You know, when guinea and the bat come together, you know, they produce something called selected. Something select. Aye. Now so it be here. You reach Adam. God call him. Adam, where are you? Adam forget position. Say, God, I'm naked. If God come in now, say, Maazi, where are you? I say, Maazi. Maazi, I dey drink pan wine. I go forget location. Otono. This life, you know, the reason why I'm doing this, some of you are lying down watching me. Some of you are going to work. Some of you are at work. And you're asking yourself, is this the life? I say, bros, which village be this? I beg, I'm not going to tell you which village be this one. I beg, pardon me. All you have to know is, when you hear about the Garden of Eden, in that place that God talked about, that's where I did. That place God created, the Garden of Eden, that's where I am. This life. Man, life is sweet though. I beg, like this video now. I beg, okay, make I finish now. As soon as I go take 1 or 2 questions, then we go finish. As soon as I know they won't do as soon. Nah, Ijijin cap and big one. Bros, which village visa? No, I'm not gonna answer that question. I beg. Also say my bat no come to. Yes, my bat no come. Hey, Maazi Papa, me no I don't. Nah. See, my ancestors said something. Now I know why they were able to live 100 and something years. I have lost weight, about 6 kilos. You know why? Since I have been in this vicinity every morning, 3 of this is my breakfast. 3. This is EGG now, wow. 3 of this. I've eaten 1 now. 3 of this is my breakfast. I go eat guava. I go eat cashew. I go eat mango. I go eat shawashop. Many of you don't know shawashop. What you call, some say sour shop. Sour shop fights cancer, especially when you eat it on empty stomach. Most of these fruits, eat them when you wake up, nothing in your stomach. The time now is 11:40. No, sorry. Man, the time now is 10, some minutes past 10, right? Is it? I want to donate, but do not know how. Okay. Let me. Guys, you can have you. If you want to donate to us, you know the place you wrote this comment. If you click as if you want to do comment, you see $sign. Just click on that $sign. It will take you through your distance. Or if you want to donate through account, I will call account number. I beg. You know what I go do to myself? Oh, sorry. Ndo kwa gwa kolo onwe gi si na na onwe nye kolo gi. Sorry now. If you want to donate through account, use my PalmPay account. And that account number is my telephone number. And the telephone number is, hold on. My account number on that is 0708 004 2206. That's my telephone number. But remove the 0. You just say 708 004 2206. Bank, PalmPay, as in palm. Aka, no, as in palm wine. PALM PAL. We go get them. This is this mango. Where is it? This is this mango. So this is this mango. So the person saying when is the tribunal going to start? I don't know. We are not court. Whenever the court fixes the date, we will hear. We are waiting. So we are waiting on the court to tell us the date. You say, Maazi, orange not actually wise to be eaten in an empty stomach. If you have heartburn. I don't have heartburn. I don't have ulcer. So waiting concern me. Fruit is good to be eaten. You want? You want? Come. You want mango? I'll take. See? I know they eat alone. So if you want the mango, I'll give you the seeding for 5,000. The one where don't grow, you just transplant it, 3 years, you begin to eat mango like me. Just make sure you plant it with some natural manure, goat shit, chicken shit. What's the argument with one man went to the moon? I don't understand. What did he talk? Make a read now. Update us on the Pami, on the type of Pami wine that you are drinking now. Blessing, I have answered your question. We are waiting on the tribunal to tell us dates. Glory, Onyeji, I told you how to donate 2 ways. Either you use the plus button, Papo Binoye and one Mamu has done that, or you use the Pampe account. So that's where to encourage us. I think we may be doing the Friday hangout. See mango. See mango. See how red mango is. See. So please tell those kids to come down from the mango tree. Not because I'm there. Onye da no opinion. The kids are my tenants, are the tenant kids, so. You want to be Talib? Okay, you go send the address. We go send you. Fresh. Nami cotton. Come. Little, come. No, now. This boy. No. You see him? He don't hang now. Huh? This boy, you know the hear word. You come down. Now you they climb. That's why they follow you. Don't climb again, yeah? No climb again. Evan, not many of you would understand this. Why people like me appreciate this. Not many of you understand why I appreciate this. Because these are the ways of my ancestors that were pure, unadulterated, and nothing more. So, it's been more than an hour that we've been here, and I appreciate every one of you, and thank you for joining me. Village life in Nigeria, every youth from Little Rock. I can cast, I can't say, I'll be waiting. What is American people serve from Little Rock? What village is this? Alose. We are not telling you which village. I beg. If you read the telephone conversation from Wolo Soyinka, it says location indifferent. Location Kadovagwodu. We are not disclosing location. We are not disclosing location. Huh? And before I leave you, you will need a coffee tree to in that your orchard. Man, I don't know whether I need coffee tree because coffee needs a lot of processing. But this one, look, some of you will not understand. Let me show you why this one needs no processing. Now, look now. See as mango, they knock my head. See, the mango, they knock me this. The mango, they knock me. Mango, they knock me. Huh? So which processing be this one? See mango now. That's the mango chops here. Eh? So that one no need processing. Na mango. Say now my fans are not happy because you haven't done Friday hangout for a while. I'm sorry, honestly. You know, it's been crazy because I've been always on the way. I've always been on the move. Most Fridays, I don't even know where I am going to be. This Friday, I'm likely to be in Medugri. So, and because I do not know the internet connectivity, and you know, when you're in a strange environment, you know, because if I'm in a place, I can plan my programs, and because what we do, because what we do, it's based on internet, you know, strong internet. So, for instance, Friday, I'm likely to be in Medugri. And I can't guarantee, I don't even know where in Medugri I will be. I might be in one remote village that I need to disguise myself. And you're talking of Friday hangout, you know, it could work. Or like the other day, I think last week, I was in one village in Imo State. There was no internet. I only had one bar. There is no way you can do Friday hangout. The other previous Friday, I was in one remote village in Enugu. There was no internet. I only had internet that week when I got to Udi. And when I got to Udi, I had internet, but I didn't have light. You know? Man, there is a lot. But I promise you, guys, my fans, I promise you, from next week or in the next 2 weeks at most, we will begin our regular Friday hangouts, Saturday street parliament, Sunday, you know, shows that you guys can join. We have conversations as usual. Eh? Come, what is it? Come. You two like they cry. What's happening again? You fall down? Eh? You want mango? No, don't climb, don't climb. No climb. I dey flog Pikino. I get Ken. You want make I flog you? You want mango? Eh? Come and take mango. Come and take mango. I gotta tell you name. Come, make I give you mango. Because if I give you mango now, I see they cry, I go flog you. I know they do smell. Oh yeah? Take mango. Wait till you talk. Say thank you. Say thank you. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, come. You come and take. No, not you. Your sister. Come and take.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. When they give you something, you go say you go tell the person who give you something, you go tell her, thank you, yeah? That means you appreciate what the person do, okay? And it go make you good boy and good girl when you tell somebody thank you, yeah? Okay? But make you know they cry too much. I know the live person where they cry. Blessing, thank you very much. I really enjoyed this time with you. God bless you. Bless you too. Say, Maazi said you too like the cry. Give her mango. I don't give her mango now. I don't give a mango. Okay, una want make I cry too. Make una give me what do you call them? Super chat and super sticker. Okay, make I cry now. When I wicked, nobody they give me anything. See, as the picking cry, I give them. And they cry, none of you they give me anything. Chai. I'm not go fit open church self. Come and take. I don't give you, no be only you are going to give the mango. Come and take. See, I'm Maazi. Alosi said, you heard I am interested in running for Anambra State governorship in 4 years. I won't answer that question, whether I'm interested or not. People where they run and they not get two heads. They're not even smarter than myself. So, I say which party? Don't worry. When we get there, we'll go know. All we know is that we want a better and indeed a great Igbo nation. Right? We want a better nation. An Igbo nation that exists within the entity that we all know today. So, and I like every one of you. I appreciate the time that we have spent together. This is indeed spontaneous. What I said, this is what I'm doing in the this is what I'm doing. You see, the good thing about having these dogs, whenever they have interest and they start barking, it helps you reposition your, you know what I mean? It helps you reposition, to know when to know when to jump the fence. Like what you did is say you get his excellency structure, so people no go pity you. Now waiting big man structure they suffer. Which structure? We really appreciate you. God will bless you. Please run for office on the need for people like you. You see, to run for office no be my case. And when he reach, okay, make everybody support. He say, he get money. No man will use him money run for office entirely. Will work for you. If I want to catch the bats, in the mango tree over there, the bats come there at night. Hi, Patrick. Patrick has decoded my location. Patrick said that it appears I'm in Nobi. Patrick, why would you disclose my location now? Why would you do like this? I am in the land of the gods. I'm in Nobi, in Anambra, I think. What do you say? Say thank you. And so they take teach children. I know they chop alone. I know they chop alone. This mango, All right. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I'm chopping mango. I'm drinking palm wine. I am eating okwose. I am eating alligator pepper. Is it not heaven on earth? And we'll have some people go, they come, they talk, yeah. If yeah. If you don't do this, yeah. You know, come, Ala-Igbo, see, if I finish, I wipe my hand in the leaf. That's the way we grew up. Forget all these things that they do, you go today. Because you are in America, we're not going to come hear a word. Now only you go America first. Nonsense. You there America now, you go eat this thing while they eat. See, you know this thing? Bitter cola. You know, huh? You go fit eat here for America. Yeah. Because you get dollar. As you get dollar, self, me I no get naira because we are naira scarcity. Even self, I take that one senior you because I no get naira now. Achievement, now naira scarcity. Small boy, don't finish. You go come the yeah. Them America, them. You they jealous me and they jealous you. You get light, I no get light, and so if you senior me say you get light, I go senior you say I no get light. If you senior me say you get Biden, I go tell you say I senior you say my president na they call him drug baron, president elect, no president select. If you senior me say light there America, I go say we they beat ourselves with darkness and we they eat mango for mango under mango tree. You know the eater. Ah yes, you go McDonald's, go they chop overfed cows. When I know they eat this one. You know get that. So if you senior me for this one, I senior you for the other one. Now, I go flog this small boy. If you climb that mango, I go flog you. Not the joke. Before you now go come, you fall from there now. I go leave this thing where they do, where they enjoy my life now. No, say this is what they do now with you. You don't add 3 years to your life. You don't add 2.5 to mine. You don't know? You they add life. I beg. Now this one what I like. You say inbox me your hey, come. Inbox me your cash app. Now I no get cash app now. I get Nigerian bank. I know the America. This is not Arkansas. This is not Chicago. This is Nigeria. So I need to do cash app. But if you want to do paper, do. You go do paper, njenjemedia@gmail.com. That's my PayPal. We go take. If you want to do Nigerian account, you go do PalmPay. Account number 708 004 2206. I repeat, PalmPay. Account number 708 004 2206. That's what we did do. You go enter. I beg you where to watch me now. I'm not a fight with you now. Share now. Show me love now. How about? Come, Papa be no dot. The drink where you buy, you don't finish. This one will remain here. Now the one where one man went to the mall buy. One man went to the mall. Your drink too, you don't finish. So who else won't buy a drink? Make with the drink. Make somebody now. You know that comment section. Touch the $sign. It will show you what you can do. You will buy super sticker, super chat. Make with the drink now. No, they look me. I'm not gonna give you this one because if I give you this one, you could begin use head, the road for ground, and I know one month. If I give this one, you drink it. Before now, they say make you no climb tree. You go be fat. You go climb electric pole self. Because your head will turn you up and down. So this one now for the adult. I bet Maazi, make that be light. I know son, if they bring light, they bring. My ancestor lived in this earth. They no use light. So forget all this nonsense. This one. So Who they support make we pour wine now? If you know support make we pour wine, we go close and see. Who they support make we pour wine? Papa be no adult, we don't pour your own wine. One man went to the mall, we don't pour your own wine. So who they support make we pour wine? If nobody support make we pour wine, make we close now. Don't close. Meanwhile, none of you has told me what this is called in English. Mmeme. In Igbo, it's called mmeme. It's very pepperish. This. Very pepperish. Leave them now, leave them. Leave them. It's very pepperish. What is it called in English? So write them. While we are waiting for you to write, we are waiting for the person who will go pour wine for. We don't pour for Papa being on your dot. You want this one? You want this one? Na pepper. You want mango? You know what mango? You want coconut? You know what? What do you want? What do you want now? You was on your child. Ebu near you. Ebu dagana. What do you want? Huh? In a new sobu. Okay, ma. So, where we there? Where we there? Sorry, got distracted. Maazi. Maazi, an Igbo nation that exists with her neighbors. Uche gị dị anụ. Ọ ihe niile, and ga-esere gị esere na anụ. Ọ ihe niile ka a na-ekwu. Whether they bring light, they no bring light, we no care. Corn never come out. We know they eat corn because corn don't go Guinea corn. Corn don't go Guinea corn. So we know. Now, there is Guinea corn. I will know they do corn again, I beg. It's a lie. Who they tell you say Anambra no safe, na lie they talk. Anambra safe. You chop somebody. Did you chop somebody cow? Why Anambra no safe? You don't kill anybody now. Anambra is your hometown. You don't kill anybody now. You're just going on your own, isn't it? Everybody where they here, they never kill them finish now. So, you know the media sometimes, and that's why we are not sensational. Because what? We say it as it is. You may not like it. Okay. Over time, I know 2-3 years ago, many of you calling me names. Why is this, that. Now, some of you are coming to the realization what we were doing, that we were deliberate in the things we did. The things that we know. I've come to realize one thing. Whenever I go to a platform and they are, we'll do this, we'll do this. I beg you, waka, the person not get any info. People that have information don't talk anyhow. As I speak to you, without being immodest, we sit on a very huge information. But we must also know how you dish and disseminate those information in order not to cause confusion and coerce. Every society must be guided. Ofeke. Aramo for the makano ofeke malo for the or maybe obodo. So you guide. And that's our job. And that's what we do. And that's what we are good at. And by the way, for those of you who do not know, Chief Emmanuel Iwanyang is now the new Ohanese president since the death of the erudite professor, Chief George, Professor Chief George Obiozo, who died late last year or early this year, I can't remember. that has since been buried. And because it's the turn of Ndi Imo, and they have brought a man known as Ahamba, the erudite professor himself, businessman himself, the owner of, I believe, was it Concord Airline? I can't remember again. Is it Concord Airline and Concord Newspapers? He's now the President General for Ohanaeze Ndigbo from Imo State. I think he has about a year plus before he moves into Rivers State. Now, Rivers State produces Ohanaeze president, yet some of them will tell you that they are not Ndigbo. We say, we know the quarrel. Wike say, you know be Igbo. We say, fine and good. Wike, you are not Igbo. We know the quarrel. Amechi saying be Igbo. We say, Amechi, brother, come home. You are Igbo. So, if you tell me, say, you know be this one, I say, you know be him now, not be by force. The one, not be waiting you call your dog, he go answer you. So don't worry. Last, everybody go chop breakfast. So now, so it be my people. Thank you very much for joining me. It has been a wonderful pleasure to have you here. In the last hour and 20 minutes, we've been here live. We've shown you how it is to live at peace with nature. It doesn't take much. It doesn't cost you much. You know what I told you? Whenever my dogs bark like this, I want to know why they are barking. Let me show you. So I always pay attention to why they are barking. I don't know what's happening, but they see what I don't see. You see two of them at the gate. So now, I don't know. Why were they backing? I don't know. But they are doing their job. See? They are doing their job. They are doing their job. Don't bite me, don't bite me, don't bite me. They are doing their job, you see? Good boy, good girl, good boy, good girl. Every time you want to bite me, I'll stop now. If you bite me, I'll pinch you. No, sir, I know the play. No, sir, I know the play. If you bite me, I'll pinch you. If you bite me, I'll pinch you. If you bite me, I'll pinch you. See him? Yeah. Go back to your duty post. Where you will. So people, thank you very much for being part of this. Thank you for all we do. For those of you, let's pour one drink for those of you who joined us. And for those of you who like the video, let's pour one drink for you. We are pouring one drink for you. And this is the final one. So we'll get ready. Today is Saturday. We now go out for the rest of the event for the day. Ekene de Lindy Bowl. Ekene de London Niver. Na fa akuzela ife di mma, ife di nso, nkwụ. Ihe mekata na iwe tegodo akwụkwọ nsọ, inene na Jesu Christi. That our fathers are so wise to even know without reading. Even Jesus Christ himself knew. Jesus Christ looked at what he would do. The first thing he did was to turn water into wine. And I dare say that he turned water into palm wine. Because that's not good number. So that was his first miracle. Even in Timothy, it says Timothy, a little wine, a little, not one keg, but a little, you understand. And let me pray for us before I close. And I say, it shall be well with you that is watching me. I'll pray. I'm your chief priest. I pray for you under it. You watching me, if you haven't got your papers where you're watching me, and I use this old surgeon and I commune with my ancestors to say that it shall be well with you. Is it your papers that you're looking for? You shall get it. Is it the fruit of the womb that you're looking for? It shall come to pass. You see that the new job you're watching to get, I say that it shall come to pass. Anything that is right in the sight of God and in the sight of the ancestors, that it shall be well with you and you shall gain them. But that which is evil, that you're thinking and you're projecting and you're planning, I say with this old surgeon, it shall not work for you. If Maazi Ezeoke is planning any evil against you or anybody, with this old surgeon, it shall not work. If you're planning any evil against Maazi Ezeoke, and with this, I say, it shall be neutralized and it shall not work. Anyone planning evil against you, with this old surgeon, it shall not work. And it is, I say, may the Chukwu Abiyama agree with our prayers. And I say, he said, may those who agree with me in faith light this stream. And we say, he said, it shall be well with us. Like I said at the beginning, when we thank the orifice that polluted the air, we must also thank the nose that perceived it. However, we can However, Mandichi Mandegade, I know I had a line in the moon. I had a line on Maazi Ezeoke. Eke, Ekatala Ifoma. I had a line on Maazi Oya, Yotala in Kay Dubai. Line on Maazi Afo, Fotala in Kamambua. The line on Maazi Nkwo, Kotala Ifoma Kwama. The Tunsiko, Koya Suere. I say, Chenandegade, he said no. Omonem, Cordino. For those, once more, who want to know, if you say you want to do it, use a PalmPay. PalmPay, P-A-L-M and P-A-Y. That is PalmPay. And my account number once more is 708-004-2206. On that note, I sign off and I say, I promise you, my fans, it's been very hectic in the last couple of days and weeks and months. But as we're winding up in some of the activities, we will begin to have our regular Friday hangout. It appears the ancestors are saying I should drink the last one. Something is entering the wrong track. So we need to pour, see the way we pour it. So let's pour the last one so that we'll clear the thing. Aye. Abianaro. Wakariwa gudun. Aye, sinambos. Aye, riabona. Come on, aye, riaboleji.